back everyone to another All Sparks review. Now we're going to be looking at something a little bit more up to date with the brands of Transformers. Looking at the Titan Returns toy line, which introduced more of the Headmasters come back into this generation. Today I'm going to be showing you Sky Shadow. Now Sky Shadow first appeared in Transformers Victory. That's something I'll go back into another day. But with Sky Shadow, he's a unique Transformer, 3 modes, triple changer. He's got a tank, a jet and a base. Headmaster's there, he's got his gun, and the detail is very close to the one from Transformers Victory. So let's transform him and have a look, see what he's like. So here's Sky Shadow, and let's get ready to transform him. As you can see, it's clear what he's going to be transformed into on the back. So let's take away his gun. Now, according to the instructions, there's this part here. If I pop it off the back, that the gun is supposed to sit in a small slot here for his character to hold. So the character's holding this. I'll let you see, but I don't like it. I don't like it like that. So what I've done is I've put this part on the back of the character, and I've just left the gun the way it is. So let's put them aside. Obviously the trick to him is the Headmaster. So just right here, lift up the head. I'll bring it a little bit back so you can see. And the Headmaster is stored in here. So let's pop this off. Just need to get a good grip for it. There we go. So there's the head off. Move him aside. And we'll transform the Headmaster. And there you go. Some of these Headmasters I might actually show in a later video. The transformation's cool, but some of the parts they go into, like a slot, some are very loose. I've actually got that with Scourge, and I'd like to show it off because some of them sit well, then others don't. Okay, so let's go for transformation. Now, like I said, he's a triple changer, so he's got a tank, a jet and a base. Let's do the base first. So the base is really simple. You're just wanting them like this, basically. Legs go that way, twist round, so they're sitting like that. Bring in, hold the bits down. Okay, same again, out, in, down. Arms, just stretch like that. And same again on the other side. And finally, you put it like that. So there's the base mode where the gun can get stored there as well. But you want to change them into, obviously, these like vehicle modes and stuff. And being a triple changer, that's always the best thing about these Transformers. So, what you want to do, let's transform his legs into the tank. So, right in the middle, pull apart. Let's put this part down here. Okay. And let's get this part transformed. So, with his legs, okay, just stretch everything out, as always. And all you're doing is basically twisting the legs. You're making them do the splits. Here, you're going to see parts here. And what you want to do is flip them round. And they're going to house the legs. So when you bring them back in, like this, they clip in. So I'll show that one more time. Like that. To that. And they just slot in, and little clips again Sky Shadow, just locking the legs. So there's the tank. Now, I've not clipped this bit in. As you'll see, I've still got this to go on. So let's put his main gun on. As soon as that's in, click in place. There's tank mode. And if you want, this part comes up. Hell, if I had nails, there it goes. And you can take his headmaster, just put his legs out in a seating position, just put him in when he wants to fit. There we go. That's him in. There you are. The jet is very simple as well. Actually, it's extremely simple. All you're doing with the jet is the arms come in like so. Like that. They just lock in. And that is basically you transformed the jet. His head, just straighten it up, as you can see. So when the jet part comes in, right, just so I can show you this, you lift that bit up first, and it just slots in nicely. Put the arms back there, just turn around these cannons. There's jet mode, and we'll just put out his tail. Now, with this part, again, just move that bit there. So this is the part that's basically useless, and there's a little slot here, and that slides in. So there you go. Sky Shadow transformed into jet and into tank. Very cool toy. Very cool having a Transformers Victory toy in my collection. I'm still after Overlord to get, which is from Super Godforce or Power Masters, known in America and the UK. But to have a Transformers Victory toy finally in my possession, this is a really good concept of Sky Shadow, and I'm really pleased with him. As always, guys, thank you for checking out Allsparks Reviews. Hope you had fun today. Just remember to hit that like button and subscribe. If you want to follow me on Facebook, you can at Allsparks Reviews. You can also follow me on Twitter at Rodimus8, and also on Twitch, typing in the search bar Optimus 85. And as always, guys, I wish to thank Cybertronic Spree for their amazing soundtrack, the Cybertronic Warrior. You can follow them right here on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. Please check this band out, as they're amazing to listen to and do some amazing covers. And as always, folks, till all are one.